Hey everybody, Jason with Learn to Survive. Now it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I've been having some problems with Google and YouTube. Um, Last couple months, I have not been able to comment on videos really. Some days I can, some days I can't, some videos I can, some videos I can't. It says I'm in safe mode, or excuse me, restricted mode. So I can't view comments or comment. Sometimes I'll get on and I'm fine. And I've checked my settings. I'm not in restricted mode. I've checked my account. My account's in good standings, no strikes, no nothing. I have no clue to what's going on. I can't get a hold of uh, YouTube and Google to try and resolve this situation. In the help section that they're supposed to monitor and stuff, they're not answering this question, and it's been going on. It looks like for a couple years with several people. So I have no clue to what's going on or what to do. My other YouTube channel dedicated to a hobby I have works just fine. If I get on YouTube on my phone, I can view comments. I can comment. That works just fine. It's only on my laptop that I can't. So if anybody has any ideas, leave me a comment and I will be able to see it from a different device and respond. But I'm at a loss of what to do. We got some videos coming up. I'll either post them tonight or tomorrow. You guys take care of yourself. Let me know in the comments if you can comment or if you're having any trouble with your channel or had any trouble with your channel and how you resolved it. This is getting real annoying for me. And if I have to, I'll migrate all my videos from this channel over to my other channel and let you guys know to subscribe to it, and we can go from there because that one's not having any issues. Take care of yourself, take care of one another, stay safe, and I'll talk to y'all soon.